Here's a little video to show how our armature bars are made at Superior. There's some basic bar stock there. And that bar stock goes into a CNC machine. And the CNC machine does all the work for us, no hand drilling or anything like that. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek at what it looks like inside the machine here. And what it looks like without the liquid. That's a picture of the jig holding the armature bars together. So that's one operation, and the other operation is over here, and he's just setting up another jig with armature bars to go into the CNC machine. Here's a little look at what he's doing without his hands there. And it's just a jig holding, it looks like eight pieces of bar material on there. And there are our finished armature bars.